Everybody, we are at another campground. As you guys can see, we got here late at night, and there's Patches. They can finish setting up the bike. It was probably the worst. We only had 200 miles to ride today, but the worst 200 miles that we ever ridden. It started raining. It got cold. You see, I got my heavy jacket on, and we like this campsite because check this out. There's Patches. There is a cover, shelter, and we got Patches coming when we walk out right into the shelter. We still kind of arranging things and setting things up right now. As you can see, Kate's in here, and we still getting our bed and everything organized. Got our shelves up already. And see, this is what we love the most about Aspen Classic Camper compared to everything else. We actually set up in the rain, and look, no water or anything, nothing wet. Our equipment is still under there, and our helmets are here. And we got to finish setting our chairs and everything up. Obviously, Kate hanging up gloves and all that stuff.
My gloves are wet, so I have to hang them up so they can dry.
What do you think about the ride today?
Miserable, but fun.
What? We didn't have no fun. But we got this light.
Miserable, but fun, because we made it safe to our destination.
Yeah, that's true. The light we have right here, we're just gonna stick right here. You guys can see is it basically a magnet on the back of the light, and it kind of light up the entire. It's dark out. We're still setting up. Fortunately, we got light, and with Patches, we can set up easily, even in the dark. And I have no idea what time it is right now. I don't have my phone. You got your phone?
No, I don't have my phone. It's somewhere. I think it's still in my jacket.
What time is it about?
Oh, probably about 10:30, 11 o'clock.
10:30, 11 o'clock. So we're gonna have us a good night's sleep. Get up early in the morning. We gotta go to groceries, pick up some groceries, and probably gonna eat breakfast out in town. See you guys in the morning.
Good night.
Made it to Walmart, finished our shopping. Got all our cooler stuff, ice. Take pack in the trunk right now. Got enough for 7 days. Well, 6 days now. And we are ready for camping. Sky's still bad. Here's our setup. We're getting ready for breakfast. And here's our utensils in an organized case. That's the name of it. What is it? Kanji. How you pronounce that, Kate? Oh, you don't even remember.
I can't see what it is.
How long we had this thing?
About 3 years, 2
3 years, 3 years.
Let me see
Everything.
the name. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it.
Oh, I gotta put my helmet up. But we set our top up, our windbreaker, because it's extremely windy today. So if we was cooking right here, all this will be blown off the table. And this morning, what we having for breakfast, baby?
Egg and cheese burrito.
With some sliced onion, spinach, sharp cheddar, and people don't normally have dessert for breakfast, but look what we got for dessert. Was that for coffee?
Yeah.
And show you guys this. A lot of this stuff, when we do our full setup, we won't have this right here. Everything will be in the inside, and we have our chairs and everything sitting out. But this is our kitchen, and everything we need for our kitchen for cooking is in one container. And our stove, we have this connected to our stove. And of course, we gotta have backup. which is what Kate got the jet ball backup. And then we have these for backup for our stove. Now, we kind of reverse it. If we stand one day, we use these. And if we stand like a week, we stand a week here, we just hook the big propane up to it. And we also have a camp kitchen that we are not setting up today because it's so windy. That's why we have that tarp up right there. But look at that beautiful lake. As we can see from patches when we wake up in the morning. I don't know if we're having dinner tonight, but we're ready for dinner too. Huh? Boom,
Are we
boom,
cooking
boom,
two
boom.
meals in one? What we doing?
What you mean 2 meals in one?
Two different meals right now we cooking? Or we
Oh, we're
gonna
just getting
wait?
breakfast.
Just breakfast?
We'll take a short ride. The original rules around. Take a short ride before any any precipitate rain come.
What
Man,
else we got?
but there's our bikes.
Rich, do we put everything in the cooler?
Yes. Everything in what? As what though?
The shrimps?
Yeah, all that's in the cooler with the ice. Yep, yep. This is how we choose to live. What Tony Ray don't say, baby?
In this life. Live this life.
There you go. So we've been on the road today. I think marked the 7 month. And I don't know if we talked about it before. You see, we got Patches back right there. Only reason Patches wasn't with us because we was riding to Alaska. We didn't want to bring him because we was planning on hitting those big, raggedy, bumpy, twisted up roads. We just bought Bubbles. But fortunately, we didn't go that way. So we got to do a do-over. I put a camera on the breakfast. Bye, y'all.